Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am good, and you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah. What's yours?
My name is Milan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris, and you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old. And you?
I am 12 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I am a student too.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. What is your favorite food?
I love sushi. What's yours?
I really like pasta. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
No, I don't have any pets. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music. Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Japanese and English. What about you?
I can speak French and a little bit of Spanish. What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
That's interesting.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
That's awesome.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
Sounds amazing.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows? Yes, I like watching comedies. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
That's wonderful.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Good choice.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
That's cool, but I'm an early bird.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
Do you like to visit zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Hannah.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Milan.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.